Namaste, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn flags and their names. So let us go. Which country flag is this? Bhutan, Nepal, India, Maldives. The correct answer is India. India. Which flag is this? Japan, South Korea, Thailand, Vietnam. The correct answer is Japan. Japan. Which country flag is this? India, Japan, China, Nepal. The correct answer is China. China. Which country flag is this? Pakistan, Turkey, Iran, Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is Pakistan. Pakistan. Which country flag is this? Bangladesh, Japan, Nepal, Sri Lanka. The correct answer is Bangladesh. Bangladesh. Which country flag is this? Bhutan, Nepal, India, Maldives. The correct answer is Nepal. Nepal. Which country flag is this? Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Which country flag is this? Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia. Country flag is this? Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Afghanistan, Kuwait. The correct answer is Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Which country flag is this? Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain, UAE. The correct answer is UAE. UAE. Which country flag is this? Vietnam, Kuwait, Thailand, UAE. The correct answer is Thailand. Thailand. Which country flag is this? Malaysia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Cambodia. The correct answer is Vietnam. Vietnam. Which country flag is this? Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Maldives. The correct answer is Malaysia. Malaysia. Which country flag is this? Laos, Myanmar, Singapore, Indonesia. The correct answer is Singapore. Singapore. Which country flag is this? Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Indonesia. Indonesia. Which country flag is this? The options are Indonesia, Qatar, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Qatar. Qatar. Which country flag is this? Kuwait, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Kuwait. Kuwait. Which country flag is this? Options are Indonesia, Malaysia, Oman, Myanmar. The correct answer is Oman. Oman. Which country flag is this? The options are Philippines, Cambodia, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Philippines. Philippines. Which country flag is this? Options are Cambodia, Malaysia, Singapore, Bahrain. The correct answer is Bahrain. Bahrain. Which country flag is this? The options are Philippines, Cambodia, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Myanmar. Myanmar. Which country flag is this? Options are Philippines, Bahrain, Cambodia, Myanmar. The correct answer is Cambodia. Cambodia. Which country flag is this? Options are Laos, Malaysia, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Laos. Laos. Which country flag is this? Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Singapore, Kazakhstan. The correct answer is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Which country flag is this? Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Singapore, Myanmar. The correct answer is Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan. Which country flag is this? Armenia, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan. The correct answer is Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan. Which country flag is this? Options are Armenia, Kazakhstan, Georgia, Kazakhstan. The correct answer is Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan. Which country flag is this? Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan. The correct answer is Tajikistan. Tajikistan. Which country flag is this? Armenia, Iran, Iraq, Syria. The correct answer is Armenia. Armenia. Which country flag is this? Georgia, Russia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. The correct answer is Azerbaijan. Azerbaijan. Which country flag is this? Georgia, Russia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. The correct answer is Georgia. Georgia. Which country flag is this? Azerbaijan, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. The correct answer is Turkey. Turkey. Which country flag is this? Crisp, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. The correct answer is crisp. Crisp. Which country flag is this? The options are Qatar, Maldives, Bhutan, Iran. The correct answer is Maldives. Maldives. Which country flag is this? Maldives, Turkey, Mongolia, Bhutan. The correct answer is Bhutan. Bhutan. Which country flag is this? The options are North Korea, Turkey, Oman, South Korea. The correct answer is North Korea. North Korea. Which country flag is this? East Timor, Turkey, Uzbekistan, Uzbekistan. The correct answer is East Timor. East Timor. Which country flag is this? Israel, Turkey, Iraq, Syria. The correct answer is Iraq. Iraq. Which country flag is this? Bahrain, Turkey, Jordan, Israel. The correct answer is Israel. Israel. Which country flag is this? Israel, Jordan, Iraq, Syria. The correct answer is Jordan. Jordan. Which country flag is this? The correct answer is Lambor, Turkey, Jordan, Israel. The correct answer is Lambon. Lambon. Which country flag is this? The options are Japan, Turkey, Iran, Israel. The correct answer is Iran. Iran. Which country flag is this? The options are Nepal, Maldives, Jordan, Mongolia. The correct answer is Mongolia. Mongolia. Which country flag is this? The options are Palestine, Turkey, Jordan, Israel. The correct answer is Palestine. Palestine. Which country flag is this? The options are Pakistan, South Korea, Kuwait, North Korea. The correct answer is South Korea. South Korea. Which country flag is this? The options are Syria, Turkey, Jordan, Israel. The correct answer is Syria. Syria. Which country flag is this? Options are Yemen, Vietnam, Russia, Israel. The correct answer is Yemen. Yemen. Which country flag is this? The options are India, China, Russia, Israel. The correct answer is Russia. Russia. Which country flag is this? The Options are Bhutan, Bahrain, India, Israel. The correct answer is Bahrain. Bahrain. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Like, share, subscribe for my channel.